Alright, this is just a little test of the scrolling in Safari versus the new WebKit browser. Sorry I'm shaking it so much, but here is this is normal Safari, so the first one I'm going to point to is Safari. And this is New York Times, and I have it zoomed in a little bit. Here it is scrolling. It can't handle it all. It has to refresh the whole screen. You can see that the scrolling performance doesn't even get above 40 here. It's molasses. It's horrible. This is unacceptable in terms of rendering on this fast computer. Now let's switch over to Safari WebKit, which is a nightly build. And as you can see, it scrolls perfectly. It goes way above 40, hitting around 50 to 60. This is what the user experience should be like. This is perfectly rendered, and it's scrolling like butter. Compare again with Safari, where it basically has to refresh every time it scrolls. And this makes my MacBook Pro Retina display feel slower than my Core 2 Duo machine that I replaced it with. Again, go back to WebKit, and it's nice and smooth. Now the difference here is WebKit is using 8536.2617.537 plus. It's 6.02 Safari version. If we go to this one, about Safari, this one's 6.2, same build number, but it's not the 537 plus, it's just the normal. So you can see the difference there. Unfortunately, the only downside to this version of WebKit is it doesn't support any plugins, so that is a big downside. I like to use a couple different plugins, and not having them is a little bit sad, but I guess I can live with it for now because the scrolling is just so much better. But hopefully this version will be rolled into the normal Safari that comes with Mac OS X. But until then, I'm going to be using WebKit.